Alright guys, welcome back. I'm running another experiment. If you're new to my channel, definitely watch my other videos and subscribe if you're interested about these all kind of speaker experiment tests, right? I'm running like a bunch of speakers. Today I have a Orion XTR650NEO. This is the smallest and cheapest native magnet Orion speaker on the test. And I have another guy, the Eminence. I take him down from my test because this guy's was a sound quality not so great, and this guy has $140 per pair, right? A lot of people was asking on this speaker, that's why I brought it. Now all the Eminence guys is silently sitting and watching my videos, nobody commenting. They absolutely stopped commenting. 2-inch voice coil and the 8 ohm versus the 4 ohm. So this guy's $90, this guy's $140. Like it's like a crazy price difference. Native magnets and Faraday magnets. So we're gonna pull the test. I have a three microphone. One is here, you're listening to me now. One is all the way back from my DSLR, and this is just a spare microphone. If you're new to my channel, whatever button I press, that speaker will play. I'm gonna start from Eminence. I'm gonna play a little low to see just the sound quality now.
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape. Let's escape. Let's escape.
It was exactly the same scenario. The bigger brother of the Orion, it was destroying this speaker like no tomorrow. I did the depth bounce with this speaker also. It was whatever's the place. This speaker not even close to those speakers, right? This is the smallest and cheapest native magnet Orion I have. That's why I'm running. You see the sound difference, like.
Time for us to escape. Wave goodbye to your city life. Say hello to the desert sky. These open highways are calling our name. Now it's time for.
Maybe back in the day it was a really nice speaker when these guys was sleeping somewhere, but it's nowadays you see it's like a lot of good speakers out there. So let me play the vocals so you can hear the sound. Orion always produces, nice balanced sound. A lot of bass.
You're a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball. You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in clouds, you're delusional. In an ocean of hallucination.
This guy handles the bass like a beast, like boom boom, and sits like, here we go, I can play the bass. But this guy's like, let me give me my frequency, you know. All right, so we're gonna tune it. This is the 90 hertz. That's why it's like plays. It's but other than bass, like he losing everything. So I'm gonna tune that, and we're gonna take it off the bass, and we're gonna play louder. Same music.
You're a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball. You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, to the legend now. In the notion now, for there's an ocean now. It's been sure, I've been looking for something.
I have to run this guy. I didn't run with the death bounce because I thought like you know, this is the cheap, like I'm not gonna run. Now I'm realizing I have to run these with the Arnold.
You're a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball.
Amazing bounce.
You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, to the legend now. In the notion now, for there's an ocean now. That's for sure. I'll be there when you're looking for something.
This speaker's. I didn't test this speaker, but this shit sounds nice. Maybe I'm comparing with this, that's why it sounds like too good, but it sounds nice. Let me play the different song. Oh God, I did a lot of videos today. Let me give like a little bit power. Maybe this guy is gonna be struggle.
I'm headed to the bottom of the bottle. I've been drowning, I've been floating away. Every other dollar that I got in bed, I probably went and pissed it away. I ain't fucking okay. I ain't liking it, babe. I don't even wanna talk. I'm just smoking my haze. I've been stuck in my ways. I've been stuck here for days. I've been staring at the clock as the radio plays. I'm enslaved. Yeah, rolling another, I'm stuck in my seat from the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole damn week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat. Got a million motherfuckers that depend on me. Yeah, every friend in my family. From a girl, every fan I meet myself. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down to make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Oh my God, but I do not to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's y'all, steadily killing me. Running my brain full of shame, I don't wanna lose aim. I'm full of stage, trying to run my pain. I see something coming out of that ring. My day really not tame, I'm gonna slow down and wait for me. Stuck inside this prison, inside this cage. Taking over, I'm slave.
shit, I didn't realize on this volume, my PRV Nadium, the 4 ohm, it was a get smelly, remember, right? But this Ryan, it's plain. Didn't get smell, it's plain. This guy I pushed to the max than on previous video. So when it get red, it was a plain, but when I add like a 2 points, it was a plain, the same output, like same loudness. But this guy is gonna go up, but didn't smell yet. Guys, I'm tuning, I'm using the DSP on the link. I'm gonna put my DSP also. Definitely check it. With the Bluetooth you can adjust that, you know, the sound, the frequency. Very, very nice setup for only $150. All right, let me play this guy. Let me put a little bit power down. Shit is red.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold.
Yeah, I don't want to burn it, but doesn't smell. It's only $90 speaker and it plays perfect. The PRV, it was a smelly on this. Oh. I gotta. Oh shit! But I'm very, very surprised how this guy handling the power. It has a super tiny magnet. Look at the magnet. It's like, so the guys, if you're thinking to get, you know, to save some money and get the nice sounding speaker, definitely don't wait. It's the Orion way to go. Thank you very much, guys, to providing such as nice speakers for that price range. And when you start selling it, don't discriminate the price. If it's $90, keep the $90.